Hey Stampers, it's Gaynor again, and I'm just doing a little video on joining my team. If you would like to join me and have me as your upline, I can have anyone from the UK, France, Austria, the Netherlands and Germany. So any one of those regions, if you're in there and you would like to join Stampin' Up, starting tomorrow, you're going to have the most amazing offers known to man. I joined Celebration 3 years ago, and it was the best thing I ever did. The amount of product I received, all the other bits that they throw in between as well, getting the catalogues early, going to on stage, you know, getting quarterly magazines, weekly newsletters. It's amazing. You get to pre-order before anybody else. But while Celebration's on as well, it's beautiful. The offers are just amazing. And even if you want to host a party during Celebration, if you qualify with £200 worth of sales, you get 10% as a Stampin' reward, which is £20. And you also get another £20 whilst Celebration is on, of £200 worth of sales or above. If it's 275, you get 12% plus an extra £20 worth of rewards. If it's £400, you get an extra. You get 14% of the 400 plus an extra £20 in rewards. And if it's over 525 or more, you get 16%. And a few rewards, and still get that extra £20. And you qualify for a 4 and a 525, you get a half price item as well. This is the offer they have on at the moment. Option 1 is to choose up to the value of £170 worth of Stampin' Up products for just £99. You'll get catalogues, you get these order forms, you get the invites, the catalogues. I think you get 2 whole packs of those, so you can dot them about the place, pass them around at the school gates, pop one in your dentist's reception or the doctor's reception, put your info on the back so people can get in touch with you. You know, it's marvellous. You can just, I don't do that, but I'm a hobby demonstrator, but I do have ladies in my team. And my next level then will be Silver Elite, which I need not many more to join, so that would be fabulous. That's my goal, is to reach Silver Elite. But also you've got this brand new tote bag, and it holds virtually everything in it. It's just beautiful. You can get punches in there, you can get your scissors, your trimmer, your catalogues, your cardstock, your stamp sets, your ink pads can go all in the front. You've just got so much room inside this bag. Even if you are thinking of doing parties, then this is the bag you'll need on the go. It's amazing. It's called the Craft and Carry Tote, and it will fit all your favourite products. And you still get to choose £170 worth of Stampin' Up products and the exclusive Craft and Carry Tote. The value of the bag alone is £47, and you only have to pay £125. So you're getting that bag for £26, saving. Well, when you think about if it's £47 and £170 worth of products, you're having over £217 worth of products just on those 2 options. Plus your invites, your catalogues. These catalogues work out about £17 for 8, and you get 2 packs, so there's £35 worth of product there. Then the invites and the everything else, plus you get your own online DBWS, which is your blog. You can use it for blogging, you can use it for setting up your shop, your online shop where people can find you. You get your first 2 or 3 months free, I think it is, as well. And oh, it's just brilliant, absolutely brilliant. And I don't think you can choose Celebration items as your kit, because these are earned for free. But you've got the main catalogue. You can go through anything that's carrying over from the autumn winter catalogue. You can choose only if it's been carried over, but you can choose any one of these new stamp sets. absolutely, you can use it as a bundle, save 10%, and you're still getting, well, you can, like I say, £170 worth of product. You can buy the card, you can buy the gems, the jewels, all these wonderful sets. You could even pop in your Stampin trimmer. You could even choose the stamper. You can choose anything you want up to the value of £170. You can't go over and add the difference, but you can either have it bang on or just below, I think. But they like it if you're right on target. So it takes it, because you can mix and match some stuff. You can get twine, you can get blends, you can get anything to start yourself up and running. But you've got a choice of all these wonderful products. If you like a particular suite, that whole suite there would cost you $47.50. So that's 60, 71, 78, 17, 23, 78 and 23, just over £100, and you probably be able to get every product off that page, and still maybe get those as well, and this, or you can choose a different suite, you don't even have to pick a suite. You can just pick all stamp sets or inks or blend, anything you want to put together. You will get 20%. You won't be able to place an order for the first week after joining, because you've got a cooling off period, and then they've got to send you you'll have an email saying what your ID number will be. You've got a chance then to set up your DBWS if you want to run it as a business and a blog, or you may already have a blog and but just thinking about joining. But if you're thinking of joining, like I'm saying, you'll have all my experience as well. Any questions will be answered via myself, but if I don't know the answer, I know somebody who does. So trust me, we will always steer you in the right direction. I will help with, I will point you in the right direction for any questions you need answering. Hints and tips, they're all on the website. Absolute beautiful. You can mix and match from one catalogue to another, and like I'm saying, you can just basically have a ball, pick what you want. You know, it's just marvellous. You will receive, like I say, 20% off everything, and once you hit your target of becoming bronze, you'll be classed as bronze. Once you get to bronze elite, then you will jump up to 25% off all your orders. You will receive flex points for when you order, and if other people order off you, you get flex points. You get your 20% commission. Unless you jump to bronze elite, you'll get your 25% commission off your orders and your customers' orders. The perks are outstanding with your flex points. I've had 100 CSV credits, which works out about £78 worth of free products. You can earn 40 CSV credits, which is about 36, about 33 to between 33 and 36 pound. You can choose other gifts that are in the Flex Point shop. You've got perks. You can build them up and win the incentive trips. Oh, Stampin' Up do treat their staff very well indeed. Like I'm saying, the offer is there in those beautiful in the celebration booklet. There's more information online as well. If you have any questions, you can always email me at gaynor.boyce@sky.com, and I will leave a link so you can find my join my team button. I don't think I've got it up at the moment, but I will check to make sure it's running properly, so you can just click and join. If you have any queries and you're just not sure and you want to take that plunge but you don't know how to go about it, again, get in touch with me at gaynor.boyce@sky.com. Your options are outstanding. I would never look back. you could do this really well. I mean, there's a lot of ladies out there that sell like crazy, and they have the best sales going. You know, it can be a really big business. It can take a little bit of time to get settled in, but you've got 3 to 6 months to earn extra flex points by hitting your targets early. You'll get bonuses for that, and you'll get your flex points, like I'm saying, to build and just earn all extra free rewards. Anything that comes out early, you get to order it early before anybody else. You get to look at the catalogues before anybody else, and the on stages are out of this world. And if I just can't think highly enough of them, because I mean, I don't get me wrong, I love my other products as well, but I love Stampin' Up products. They are such good quality, it's unreal, and the things I have, I'll be using from year on in for the rest of my life, I think, from now on. But yeah, I mean, £99, and you're going to get, with all this extras, the invites, the catalogues, the order forms, and everything else they do for you, and all the things they send you, you've got well over £200 odd worth of products. And if you've had birthday money or Christmas money and you've stored it up, now is the time to jump on and get all these beautiful products. Oh my gosh, this says here, it says celebration is all about more free, more rewards, more fun. And when you join as a Stampin' Up demonstrator during celebration, you get 2 starter kit options to choose from, which is option 1 and option 2 with the bags. And it says here, this is £40 more free product than usual. Wow. Because because you normally can pick £130 and pay £99, and you're getting an extra £40 worth of products during celebration. And then if you start placing your orders with your 20% off, even though, say you've ordered a bundle, it's £45, but you've had your 20% knocked off, you still get to earn a free celebration item, because it's the total of what the value of what that product prior to your commission coming off. And you instantly see one box telling you the total, how much you've earned, and how much it's going to cost you. So, you never pay more than what you've earned. Your commission comes off instantly. It's not something you've got to sit around and wait for. It's all done instantly while you're placing your demonstrator orders. If you're waiting on customer orders, I think it's normally 2 to 3 times a month, and then they just pop it into your bank. I can't remember now, it's been a long time for me. Because like I say, I'm a hobby demonstrator. I don't do this for money, but I want ladies in my team. I want to be able to guide them, show them all the best stuff, answer any questions they've got, build a friendly relationship with you. Mine's called the Stampin' Queens. I got a couple of lovely ladies on there, and they are doing amazing. So if you want to come and join our little family and our little niche, the more that join, the better for me. So why not come along, join, get yourself all that wonderful, wonderful, wonderful kit. And like I say, if you want the extra in the tote bag with the bag, I think it's absolutely brilliant. Look at this. Oh, just love it. People, we get together, depending on the size of your team, you can get together, you can have small team, it doesn't matter. You're just part of something wonderful and something good, and spreading joy and happiness, I think, is a price worth paying, just to, just get these out there and make yourself some money. You can earn really good at these if you get the right customers as well. But I just absolutely look at these, absolutely stunning. I love them. So, and I would love any one of you out there who's followed me on YouTube, is one of my subscribers maybe, and is thinking, oh, shouldn't I? Come and have a chat with me, and I'll phone you one-to-one, and we can you know, if you've got any worries about anything, we can talk through those. We don't want you to just jump in head first and, you know, think after you've joined, oh, why did you do that? We want you to do it because of the love of it. And Stampin' Up's been going for over 30 years now, so I don't think it'll be closing anytime soon. They're just outstanding. So, if you have any questions, like I say, give me either, if you've got my number, give me a bell, or if you've got me on Facebook, private message me, or if you haven't got any contact for me, you can always email me, like I'm saying, at Gaynor. Let me write it on the back of here. It's all lowercase, Gaynor dot boyce at sky.com. Perfect. And it's all lowercase. These are not capitals or anything. So, but yeah, absolutely amazing offers. So if you've got any questions that you need answering, come get in touch. We can talk these through, and we can set you on your own little journey as you join Stampin' Up in my team. That would be excellent. But thanks for watching. Till next time, I love you all. Bye.